Okay, so welcome back to lecture once again, guys. Now, in this lecture, we are going to create a user, by the way, so that we can try to assign different kind of resources that we are going to create, and we'll try to understand access control list. We'll try to understand how we can try to give a resource level access to any kind of a user. So to create a user, you can try to go over here and search for a user, right? And it is going to give you this particular option, users option. Click over here, and I have already created a couple of users, and this is basically like me, so who is having a owner access, by the way. So here I can try to create a new user, right? So create a new user, or you can try to even say that invite an external user to collaborate with your organization. So I'll try to opt for this create a new user option, which is very easy. And user principal name. So what should be the like a principal name, or what should be the name that we are supposed to give? So we can give any name. So maybe let's suppose I'm giving Alex as a name, right? So Alex is let's suppose my team member. So Alex is the name which I'm going to give, and then here display name. So I can try to give any other name. Again, I'll give Alex over here, and maybe I can try to keep this particular user somewhere safe, basically. So here I'm going to even copy its password, by the way. Yeah. So here I can just try to like review and create. So just review and then click on create. Now in some time you will be able to see that not sometime, immediately you will be able to see that it has created a Alex as a user, right? Now if this user has to log in, right, this user has to log in, so you have to share this email ID and then a password that you have already created with this particular user. Now as of now, so we have not assigned any resources to this user as of now, like it's just a user creation that we have done. Now how this user will be able to log in, by the way? So here let's suppose I'm going to open up like one new browser in incognito mode, and here so portal azure.com, right? So like I said, so you are supposed to share this particular like a ID Alex at the rate whatever like organization that you have. So my organization is take Euron, and on microsoft.com. Fine, this is the user ID. Now password, so password, the password that we have already created at that point of a time, so that password you have to share with the user. Now whenever user will log in for the very first time, so current password it will be looking for, and then a new password. So maybe I can try to set my new password for this user, right? Yeah, so new password. Now so it is going to ask me for a couple of more steps, not me, by the way, it's a user which I'm creating, right? So whoever for whoever like who are trying to create the user, so they are supposed to do this same thing, exact same thing, right? And they will be able to access your account, they will be able to access everything that you are going to assign, everything you are going to provide. So here it is looking for like a two-factor Microsoft Authenticator. So I already have a Microsoft Authenticator in my mobile. You can try to even download it in your mobile phone. I think that will be better. And then you can try to set this up. So it will just take like a couple of seconds of time. So I have this Microsoft Authenticator with me, and what I can do, so I can try to basically add this particular account. It's very easy step, by the way. Let me do it in front of you. Yeah. So here I can click on this next, by the way, and yeah, so it has popped up something on my screen, mobile screen, and I have just approved it by giving this number. And yeah, so if everything is going to be good, so yeah, it looks good. So I'm able to set up this Microsoft Authenticator, stay signed in. So yes, and LX user will be able to log in, right? Will be able to log in. And as of now, so this LX user has not have any kind of access, by the way. Now here, so if this LX user, as you can see, right, this LX user, by the way, so here this LX user can search for maybe a storage account, and LX user can go over here, and then LX user can try to check like whatever storage account which is been assigned to this particular user. Now as you can see that this user, right, that we have, so this user is not able to access anything. So there is nothing inside like this user's account, and everywhere you will be able to find out something like this hierarchical namespace ADLS Gen 2 means this user is having nothing, by the way, right? Nothing. So this user can't do anything as of now unless and until I'm not going to assign, and everywhere you will be able to see something like that, right? This is the user which I have created under my organization. So obviously I have to assign some resources to this user, then only this user will be able to work, which I'm going to do it in a upcoming session. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care.